The Pahrump Songbirds Local Artist Showcase took place Sunday, June 28th at Dry Creek Saloon, with performances by founder of Pahrump Songbirds, Tracy Baker, Levi Nixon, Longface Branch, Eric Stillman, Al Chile, Chamber Door, Mike Lannis, Little Mikey Ruhan, Rick Scanlon,
every night around 5 I come through the front door. G.I. Joes and Lego spread all over the floor.
and Bad Axis. In a statement from Pahrump Songbirds founder Tracy Baker, he says he developed Pahrump Songbirds to bring as many local artists together as he could. He adds, he wanted them to be able to hear each other play, network, and make connections. The Pahrump Songbirds is an organization that holds an open mic, Writers' Night each month on the third Sunday, starting at 5 p.m. at the Dry Creek Saloon. Those interested in performing for the next Songbird event can send an email to songbirdspahrump@gmail.com or contacting them on Facebook.